make it a goal to grow rather than to accumulate things. Because when you make your goal to grow rather than to accumulate things like earning a certain amount of income, or getting this car, or getting this house, or private jet, or whatever you want to, because when you're close to achieving that goal, or when you have achieved it, you have an internal thermostat that is going to kick in, and it's going to stop the actions that took you there, because you think, okay, I achieved it, now I can relax. You probably worked very hard for it, so now you feel like you can slow down a little bit, relax. But what's going to happen is that you're stopping the actions that took you there, and therefore you're actually going to go back. We have this internal thermostat that is set at a certain level, a certain income level, or a certain weight. If you're trying to lose weight, many people have tried this to lose some weight, and then they end up gaining it back on. And that's because we have this internal thermostat, and we have to adjust this thermostat in order to achieve and keep the outcome that we have. And rather than having a goal of a certain thing or monetary value that you want to achieve, rather have the goal of growing, always improving, always becoming more healthy, always becoming more fit. Can also be always earning more, but really that's a side effect of growing, of becoming a better person, of becoming more spiritual, of becoming better at what it is that you're doing, of serving your clients better. Money and things is the side effect of that. So when you make it a goal to grow, to become better, then all your things that you wish for, they'll come as a side effect, and you will not be going back because you have this goal of growing. Hope it makes sense. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.